Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is I'm going to be doing this 27 piece. I really love doing 27 pieces for you guys, and I'm just going to be talking to you guys and doing my hair. I already started on the back, and yeah, I'm just ready to just put this in. I really look a hot mess right now, but it looks beautiful outside, so I gotta get out there. But I just really want to touch up my hair and just talk to you guys. And yeah, so I really wanted to tell you guys about who I am and why I've been on here. Why am I here? Like, who is Diamond? So most people been inboxing me asking me, can you tell us a little bit about you and stuff like that. So while I'm doing my hair, I'm going to be talking to you guys about myself. Okay. I call myself the model because I love to just try on different clothes and different hairstyles and stuff like that. And I just like to just be me. I like to be me, and I just like to be different. So that's kind of something where I call myself the model, because I like to just, stuff like that. I just like to just be me. And the reason why I'm on here to talk to you guys, and I'm not trying to be in this sad, environment right now, but I just want to put it out there for you guys. So as you guys know, when I was in high school, well, it didn't start in high school. It actually started when I was in middle school or elementary school. I can't remember when it was, but I wanted to talk about that. And I have been bullied. It was mostly the guys, well, the boys. They literally used to talk about my shape and how my body was. And, me, I didn't really know nothing about a shape. I just knew to just go to school, get my education, and go home. Kids used to follow me to my class. I didn't like that. And it was a bunch of boys, like I was a celebrity or something. I did not like that at all. Just kind of feel like, why me? And to this day, I just feel like I am happy that I went through that, because if I didn't, then, I wasn't. I was really insecure about my body because of how people used to say, oh, she's little, she don't supposed to have her shape like that, or she can't wear this, or she can't wear that. So I literally used to get put out of school because of the fact that I had on leggings or, tight fitted jeans, but I really didn't know what was the problem with the jeans that I had on. But I noticed that the teachers used to go behind my back and, say these type of things to me, to other teachers, like, if you get what I'm saying. I really didn't understand that back then. And that was just something that I was going through. I was just like, why is she's supposed to be on my side? Just the whole thing. And I literally used to come home with a smile on my face, like nothing happened, like I had a really good day. So I'm going to be adding the medium at the top. It's just so hard to even describe how it was, but it was like, I don't know how I got out of it. I don't know. It's like, yeah, I've been bullied in school, and it was just so hard, to the point where you go home and you have your family, talking about you, saying all these mean things to you. And it was just like, who can I run to? Like, I can't run to anybody because everybody want to call you. When I was in elementary school, I used to be the one that was caught on first. Teachers didn't like me. Kids wouldn't like me. You know, it literally used to be that type of thing where kids didn't like me. And the girls, don't get me wrong, the girls, everybody wanted to be my friend. Everybody wanted, like I was a celebrity or something, but I really didn't understand why was they so on to me. It was because of they liked me. I didn't really like the fact that I was the only one that was getting bullied in school. And the second thing was my talking. My words was slurring. So as you guys know, I did finish the bottom half. I'm gonna go in and start on the top with my longer bundles, and that's the larger bundle at the top. So yeah, it was a lot of boys. They used to literally chase me around the whole school and, you know, walk me to class. And I didn't really like that. Teachers used to be like, oh, you're late because, you know, I came in and I wasn't late. But the thing was, I don't care about talking to you guys and telling you guys my story because I know that, you know, it happened. And some people is afraid to talk about this type of stuff. So I'm just on here to talk about it. And yes, I've been bullied in school. I never got to really tell my parents about it because I just, you know, I didn't feel comfortable by saying that. I didn't feel comfortable. And yeah, I just didn't feel comfortable, you know, by saying that. It was like, it was really, really embarrassing for me to go through that and, you know, stuff like that. I didn't like it. I'm so happy that I graduated, you know, because I could have just, you know, stopped going and just gave up because it was really, really worse. I didn't want to get chased by a bunch of guys telling me that I had a big butt. Teachers used to hear these type of mean, harsh things that these guys used to say. And I didn't like that. Teachers used to be jealous, and I used to say, why is these teachers so jealous of me? I'm supposed to be the one to be taught different types of things, and you guys want to be jealous of me and don't want me in your class. I didn't understand it. Like, I really didn't understand why these people was so against me. And, you know, I can't cry anymore. I can't cry no more. It's like enough is enough. And can't hold it back anymore. And, you know, being called slow was a really, really harsh thing of what, you know, it was really, really, I didn't like that. I did not like what they used to say about me. But it's time to move on. Because now they probably see me doing what I want to do. But it was not, it wasn't okay. Kind of felt like the most relaxing thing. Art was really, really the type of thing where I got my mind off of bullying and everything. And that's just something that I like. Like, that really took my mind off of all of that type of stuff, was doing art. And I really, really love art. Art is my favorite thing to do. And when I go there, I will really take my mind off of all this stuff and listen to all the slow music and everything. And that used to be the best moment ever, just going to art. And it literally used to calm me down. to the point where I can just get my mind off of stuff like that. I was really, really quiet, you know. It was just to the point where I was on the bus and guys used to literally crack jokes, laugh, and it was to the point that I just wanted to wear big clothes and I didn't want anybody to see my shape, and it was just like, you know, I didn't like that. And what really woke me up to saying, girl, enough is enough. This just dawned me in my head and was like, you know, hey, let's just do a swimsuit haul. Let's just do this, let's just do that. Because I was really, really insecure about my shape because of the past memories that I had. And it was just like, okay, maybe it's time to get out of that, because that was really long. That was a long ago. But it wasn't that long. It wasn't that long. So I'm just going to be using, you know, I just really want to talk about how it really was in my life. Like, it wasn't where, oh, I just, you know, this, that, and the other. You have to go through something, baby. And I went through a lot. And when I tell you, I was bullied, and to the point where I didn't even want to go to school anymore. And it was like, okay, should I just get my diploma or should I just say forget it? And I literally had to just suck it up and just say, bitch, go to school. Go to school and just finish it off. And you don't have to worry about these bitches anymore. There's just something that I had to say to myself, and I literally had to drag myself because I didn't really want to go to school. I was the type of girl that always had a smile on her face, and you know, I was the girl that was a happy baby. I was finna say baby, but you know, I was that. I was a happy girl, and you know, people used to always say, "Why is she smiling so much?" Like, people never knew in the inside that I was getting bullied in school because I never stepped up and said anything about it. But I didn't like that. But you go through it and you grow through it, I guess. And that's just something that I realized. You go through it and you grow through it. And that's just something that I woke up and said, hey, why don't, you know, this come out, and, you know, something like that. Like, I really didn't know. I didn't know. As a little girl. I'm just adding this at the top of my head if you guys can see. So they don't have a closure in here, so I'm gonna just go ahead and finish it off using my extra pieces and closing it off like that. I'll probably just go ahead and cut a little bit of the sides off, and then I'll probably just go ahead and cut the back off a little bit. And I'm just gonna leave the front full because I really wanna flatten it and curl it a little bit. So I probably just go ahead and, wait a minute guys, so I'm looking over there and I'm supposed to be looking right here. So I probably just go ahead and cut off a little bit in the front on the side, and I probably just go ahead and cut the back off a little bit so I can flip it and curl it in the front. Okay guys, so I will be showing you guys exactly how I cut my 27 piece, and I will be using this rake comb. I used to use one of those little what are those called, those little razor things, and it's just got the razor on there, but that was really making my hair itch. And this is really, really good for you just want to just layer your hair and everything. So this is what I used to use always when I'm cutting my hair, and I'm just going to be moving some of the hair away from the hair that I'm going to be cutting. I like to just move my hair just like this. Ah. I just feel like I just cut till I can't cut anymore. And this is just how I cut. I literally just use this part and I just trim my hair. Okay guys, so I'm done with my hair. I was thinking about flat ironing my hair, but I'm like, this is cute. I looked in the mirror and I'm like, okay, this is cute. So I'm done. With this part in the front, I didn't really mess with it like that. I just cut a little bit off. And the front, I just left this full. I didn't touch the front. So yeah, this hair is really, really soft and I really, really love this hair so much. So this hair that I got in my head is the Saga Remy hair, and this is in the Milky Way golden pack, and I love this hair so much, guys. If you guys like it, make sure you guys comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this hair. And yeah, I really, really love this hairstyle. Like, I can't get enough of short hairstyles at all. So that's all I wear, and it's hot outside. So I really want to continue with the short hairstyles. Probably a bob or something. What do you guys think? Or do I look cute with my short hair? I think I'm going to stick with the short hair, okay? Just for now. And then when it hit fall, I'm going to switch to something else. I'm kidding. We're going to stick with this. But I really like this. I did just leave this part full in the front. Cut a little bit off on the sides and cut a lot off in the back. So I'm going to show you guys the back just so you guys can see exactly how it looks. And this is how it looks in the back. I just literally left it full in the back, like with the baby hairs, and so I can just like wag it in the back. And I also just love this hair. I really, really love it. What do you guys think? If I have not already said what type of hair this is and the type of comb that I use, all that's just going to be down at the bottom of the video. Make sure you guys drop those comments down below. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. And I love you guys so much. I'll talk to you guys in another video. Hopefully you guys can see my hair because I don't know if it's like, but I love you guys so much. I'll talk to you guys in another video. Like, I literally was going to just flutter my hair, curl it, flip it, but I'm like, for what? And this can just, you know, do what it has to do, okay? But enough said. I really, really love this hair. Probably just try another color in this hair. And yeah, hopefully they have another color because all I saw is a 1B and a number 2, and I think I got the 1B. So hopefully they have a different type of color in this, but I'll probably stick with my 1B and number 2s because I really love this color. Really like the shortcut that I cut. I mean, I didn't do much, but it's cute, okay? It's cute. Okay? But yeah, I'll talk to you guys in another video. Bye.